Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya at the Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. And you know, it really is a beautiful day out there. Man, not a cloud in the sky. And because it's so beautiful, I decided that, yesterday I caught a lot of flack from the shirt I was wearing. So I decided I'd really tone it down completely today. So no Hawaiian shirts, but I'll tell you, we got a question. What happens when you decide to ride the clutch? First of all, what does that mean? There's three pedals down there. The one on the far right is your gas, the one in the middle is the brake, and on a manual transmission, the pedal on the left is your clutch pedal. And a lot of, I'm going to call them lazy drivers, keep their foot on that left clutch pedal all the time, and they treat it like a dead pedal or a dead area where they just rest their foot. It's bad habits, and it'll cost you a lot of darn money. Here's a great example. This is the manual transmission on this vehicle, right? And this right here is the throwout bearing for the clutch. And this bearing is destroyed, and what causes that destruction is keeping your foot resting on the clutch while you're driving. This is what the new bearing is supposed to look like. Look at how that thing is destroyed. Not only is not is the bearing destroyed, but we have all kinds of pieces here in the bell housing of this transmission where it decided to come apart, and it just threw shrapnel. This is not the worst one we've seen. It just happens to be a current one. So then what happens to the clutch? Well, let's take a look at this. This is the pressure plate, and the bearing rides on this clutch, on this part of the clutch, so that when you push your foot down, that bearing depresses the fingers right here of the clutch, and it releases the clutch plate. Oh, well, let's just take it down so you can see what it looks like. Okay, we got all kinds of stuff coming down. This is actually the clutch, and you can see this has been going on for some time. I'm going to set this down right. Hold that for me, would you? So if you look here, see the wear patterns? These lines are almost completely worn down. This is where the clutch is worn and needs to be replaced. And of course, it's on both sides. And what does that mean to the driver? Here's the inside of the plate. It may be a little hard to see, but look at all the hot spots. This thing has been slipping for a really long time. And again, what causes the slipping? Keeping your foot on the pressure on the throwout bearing, which causes the pressure plate not to squeeze the clutch hard enough. This is truly premature failure or failing of this clutch product because of bad and sloppy driving habits. So keep your feet where they belong. Push the clutch only when you need to. Most of the time, keep it on the gas. When the coast is clear, put on the gas. But better yet, come see us if you have any questions with your car. We're here at the Auto Shop at beautiful Plano, Texas. Our website is www.theautoshop.com, and you can always call us at 972-578-0588. Click the little like button, share this with all your friends, and come see us. Bye, everybody.